Department of Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So I'm a basically PhD programmer and technical describer. So today we are going to discuss about the working of pick and place angle, which is used to pick the object from the particular angle and to place the object for the particular angle. Okay. In the last video, we have seen about what are the technical components are available. What are the basic products are available. Then what about gripper? What about DOM? Which means degree of freedom. Those kind of topics we have covered. So in this video, we can see how it's working. Okay. So initially, we have a one MATLAB applications which is used for to control the pick and place robot by using this interfacing controller. We have some Cortex M4 controller, so which is used for to control the every axis. We have five axes: axis 1, axis 2, axis 3, and axis 4, axis 5. Okay. So basically, in the last video, I said about what are the axes available, what are the angles available. Okay. So basically, the axis 1, the base axis, which is used for to rotate the base for the entire 360 degree. Okay. And second axis, third axis, the two axes are which is used for to control the this actuator for the up and down motion. We can say it for the 90 degree angle we can control it. Okay. And fourth axis, we can control the that actuators by using stepper motor, and also by using the stepper port we can control that 360 degree for the controlling applications. And then fifth axis, we can control the gripper by using 0 or 1 command. Okay. So in the MATLAB application, if you are open now, we have a kind of windows available. So by using this kind of input parameters, we can control the entire sections. Okay. Initially, we have one application for like MATLAB through the Robot GUI. Okay, the Robot GUI, we can control every axis. Initially, I'm saying about the first axis, second axis, third axis, fourth axis, fifth axis, and gripper. Okay, in the first axis, I'm saying about the base angle, which is rotating the 360 degree. So I'm going to demonstrate how it's work. Okay. Initially, if you want to control any single axis, you have to choose the Robot GUI. Okay, so that you have to give the value below 320 only. So the 40 is the tolerance. Okay, so I'm going to give angle as a 70 degree, and then I'm going to check it about this angle. It's rotating around 70 degree, and then I'm going to control the second axis for the particular angle. I'm going to give a 40 degree, and it will move like around 40 degree. Okay, and then I'm going to give a third axis for particular angle. I'm going to give us 30 degree. It move around 30 degree, and then for the fourth axis, it's a 360 degree angle of axis. Okay, we can control around 360 degree. I'm going to give around 70 degree here. Yeah, 70 degree. But we have to pick the object. So for that application, we have to stabilize the gripper for the 0 degree. Okay. Okay, it will be moving around 0 degree angle, and then final axis we have to move it around 50 degree here. Yeah, this one for the gripper, which is moving for the 90 degree below. We can see it any 40 degree, 50 degree likewise. And then if the gripper is right now is open, so it's we can give it 0 or 1. If 1 is applying, the gripper is getting. Sorry. So sorry. For the 1, we can get the closing contact. For the 0, we can get the opening contact. For the beginning of placing the object. Okay. For the initial position, we have to give the 0 degree for the every axis. Okay. So I'm going to give a 360 degree from 0 for the first axis, and for the second axis, I'm going to give a 0, and for the third axis I'm going to give a 0, and for the fifth axis I'm going to give a 0. So it's come under the for the initial position. So we can control it by likewise. So basically you should know about what kind of processor available. The processor name is Cortex M4, and then what kind of components available like stepper motor, stepper port, potentiometer, and then we have some compressor also, which is used for control the gripper only. So other mechanical electrical connection we can control by using the processor only, with electrical circuits only, with current only. Remaining for the gripper we can control it by compressor.